How to withdraw money from Action Pro. So to withdraw money from Action Pro, you would typically need to transfer your funds from the Action Trade platform to a linked bank account or another platform. So first thing you want to do is go and access your Action Trade wallet. So log into your account on the platform. Then locate the withdrawal or the transfer option, and then you can see the cash out or the withdraw button or transfer to bank within your wallet interface. Then you want to export your seed phrase. So you'll need to export your wallet's seed phrase, which is also sometimes called a recovery phrase or private key, which is very crucial for transferring your funds to another platform. Then you need to import your seed phrase into a new wallet. So choose a wallet that supports the bank transfers and import your Action Trade seed phrase into it. Then you want to initiate the bank transfer. So in your wallet, find the option to withdraw to your bank account and then follow the instructions provided by the platform. Then you want to confirm the transfer, and then you want to wait for the funds to be credited to your account. This will take at least 3 business days, and that's how you can withdraw money from Action Pro.